Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.
Okay. Come in. Swap.
At a kite festival in Taiwan, a giant kite lifted a 4-year-old girl high into the sky. The crowd watched in shock as she soared with the wind. Thankfully, bystanders acted fast and brought her down safely. A truly breathtaking rescue. Is speeding in reverse like it's no big deal. It's insane. This is next level driving. Check out this shocking moment. A car suddenly crashes right into a pizza shop. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured. Check out this CCTV footage. A woman is sitting outside a coffee shop when 2 thieves snatch her purse. She quickly chases them down, takes it back, and stops the theft. This guy was running from the police when his car suddenly slips off the road and crashes into the bushes, accidentally escaping from the cops and sneaking away. This kid has Spider-Man level skills. He's defying gravity, hanging on the wall with both hands like it's nothing. When you park your car like an idiot, you might lose more than just space. You could lose a corner too.
Дядя психанул, порвал как тузик так.
This guy was just chilling in the water, lying down, when the police thought he was dead and tried to drag him out. But surprise, he's very much alive, just taking a nap.
Вот так паркуются у нас без спутников.
Imagine this. You're late for work, and your boss asks, "Why are you late?" Well, you've got the perfect proof. Just show them this video. this, a self-driving delivery truck, fully autonomous with sensors navigating the roads. The future of transportation is here. In China, you can mine without ever leaving your desk. Talk about working in comfort. Strikes with incredible force, completely destroying the tree in just seconds. Look at this funny moment. Two penguin groups heading in different directions, but when they collided, some got totally confused about which way to go. A powerful 6.8 magnitude earthquake has struck near one of Tibet's holiest cities in China, shaking the ground and leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The Taiwan women's team shows incredible strength and teamwork, holding their ground against the Thai men's team. Watch this crazy moments. A woman approaches her car, opens the door, and is stunned to find a bear sitting inside. In panic, she quickly runs away, but thankfully, the bear doesn't harm her. Do you think this car can flip the bus? Pause the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Watch as a towering tornado tears through Texas, its immense power looming over the calm surroundings.
Jesus!
Oh wow, look at this. Hundreds of bats taking shelter on the roof, creating an unexpected spectacle. Look at this incredible moment. An elephant saves its baby from a crocodile attack. Unbelievable strength and protection.
Jake cut the same tree down twice, and it's still...
Watch this crazy moment. A deer charges at full speed, crashing through the window and right into the house.
Аварийное видео.
Thank you. Record this. Get the camera on. I'm about to die. Oh my god.
Oh no, this guy is having a really bad day.
We see hands! Hands up!
Okay, now.
What are you talking about? I think he's going on a G! Where's this?
A McDonald's worker completely shocked after getting hit with 99 orders all at once. Now, that's what I call a seriously tough day.
Who's ordering this? 99 of them!
Are you recording this? What's going on? Oh, the lights, the traffic lights is out too. Yo. Yo, that's whoa. What? Yo,
Look at this intense moment. The sun turns blood red as smoke fills the sky, all caused by the early wildfires in Los Angeles sweeping through the city, truly showcasing the devastating power of nature's fury. Check this out. In Piparia, Pachmarhi, India, the water flows with such intensity, rich in natural gases, it literally bursts into flames.
Look at here. What is it?
As this tube well unexpectedly bursts, unleashing an incredible surge of water, showing just how forceful the Earth's depths can be. Legendary 11-foot 8-inch bridge, also known as the Truck Slayer. Every driver thinks, maybe my truck can make it, and the bridge reply, let's see about that. And then, well, the result is right in front of you. Oh, what a lucky day, man. as a firefighting plane swoops low over a roaring wildfire, unleashing a stream of fire retardant in a bold attempt to protect nearby homes and tame the raging flames. An elephant spots a man in its path, and instead of charging, it shows surprising gentleness, alerting him with calm behavior rather than causing harm. Look at this powerful rush of water in Calingasta, Argentina. Nature's force carving through the landscape. Absolutely incredible.